You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names, including French names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. So in French, this is said as Drouillard. Drouillard, yes, I-double-L comes down to the sound of a Y, and the D is silent, so Drouillard. So if you want to pronounce it sort of the French way, you can say it as Drouillard, Drouillard. But it is often pronounced in English as Drouillard, Drouillard. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. More videos for you here on how to pronounce more names. I'll see you there to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.